Yes, I Rasta. Okay, now we're gonna talk about Yam Pee. Yam Pee be a island term. To be true and true, I've been on different islands in the Caribbean. To be all over, all over. So what is Yam Pee? Be the question, right? Yam Pee be that thing in your eye, right up here when you wake up in the morning time. You that yellow thing in your eye. Stateside have a next name for it that I don't really like. I'm not gonna repeat it right now, but maybe later. So Yam Pee, right? I like that word much better than the stateside. They call it, well, okay, here I wasn't gonna say it, but I'm not gonna say it, right? They call it eye booger, right? Eye booger sound nasty, man. Be in your eye. Nah. Yam Pee. They call it Yam Pee. Now the question is, why we call it Yam Pee, right? Well, it'd be pretty simple, right? Because it looked like a yam pea in your eye, right? You're like, hey boy, man, yam pea in your eye, you know, it looked like a yam pea in your eye. Now, what is a yam that pea in your eye? Well, it'll be two things, right? One, it could be just a yam, like a piece of, like a sweet potato. You got sweet potato and you got a yam, right? It could be something like that, right? Because it's kind of yellow like that. But it also referred to a goat. I know it's funny. It referred to a goat that took a piss in your eye. So it equally nasty as eye booger, right? But it kind of hold it down, which would be the next thing in the Caribbean. Hold it down, right? Write that one down, right? Yeah. Hold it down. So yam pea, that's what it is, man. It look like a yam, a goat, pea in your eye. You got this yellow thing, so you can say something kind of down low. You can say something polite in public. Be like, boy, yam pea in your eye. Take it out, no, right? So that be the yam pea. Spread it around, you know. Let Volkswagen know, man. This be the true island man. They following here around, right? Even in office with a yellow tie and everything. Okay. Later.